In this video, I will show you how to export video in MP4 format in CapCut. So let's get started. Once you complete your video editing work in CapCut, you can proceed to export the final video. First, click on Export button at the top right side. You can even use shortcut Ctrl plus E. In Export pop-up, enter video title. Now select the location where you wish to save the video. Under video exporting, adjust the resolution to 1080p. Just select bitrate as recommended and frame rate of 30 frames per second. Next, make sure that format is set to MP4 and the codec is H.264. Once you make these changes, click Export button. Export process will be started and your video will be exported to the selected location. So here is the video properties that we just exported. As you can see, video format is MP4. So that is how you can export video in MP4 format in CapCut. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.